Everyone, good morning. Take out your English literature book. English literature book, chapter number 7. Take out your English literature book, chapter number 7. Everyone, take out your book. Yes, open your book, chapter number 7. Okay, so a butterfly smile. Okay, a butterfly smile written by Mathangi Subramaniam. Mathangi Subramaniam, written Butterfly Smile, written by Mathangi Subramaniam. This is a short story. Okay, this is a short story. Where have you seen butterflies the most in your garden or somewhere else? Where have you seen butterflies the most in your garden or somewhere else? Okay, so everyone, see the butterfly in your gardens or else anywhere else. Can you guess how the butterfly helps to protect the environment? Can you guess how the butterfly helps to protect the environment? Okay, so let's start the story. Line up, class. Let's go to the park. Laila Miss called out. So Laila Miss called out the students, that students line up. Let's go to the park. The children held hands as they chattered away. Chattered means spoke about unimportant matters. Chattered means spoke about unimportant matters. Spoke about unimportant matters. So the children held hands as they chattered away. Kavya stood by herself. One of the main character here, her name is Kavya. Kavya stood by herself. As they started to walk, Laila Miss asked, "Does anyone know what a caterpillar becomes when it grows up?" So Laila Miss asked the student, "Does anyone know what a caterpillar becomes when it grows up?" Kavya's heart jumped. Kavya's very excited to tell to reply to the miss. Okay, Kavya's heart jumped. She knew the answer. So Kavya, that's why Kavya knew the answer. That's why her heart jumped. She was very excited to tell the answer. Should she speak up? Kavya and her family had just moved to Bengaluru from their village. Kavya and her family had just moved to Bengaluru from their village. They lived at the construction site. Construction site means place where a building is constructed. So they live. Kavya and her family lived a half-finished home, half-finished house. Kavya's home had not finished yet. Where her parents, they lived at the construction site where her parents worked. It was hard living in half-finished home. Kavya was very much in trouble because she and her family lived in a half-finished house. The air smelled of smoke and the honking traffic made it hard to sleep. The air smelled of smoke and the honking traffic made it hard to sleep. So the air smelled of smoke. The air smelled of smoke and the honking traffic. Honking means very loud. So the loud traffic sound made it hard to sleep. So they are not sleeping very quietly because the traffic sound is very loud in their place. The towering buildings, zooming cars, and busy people made her feel small and afraid. The towering buildings means such a very high buildings. Zooming cars means moving very fast. Those cars moving very fast, these cars are called zooming cars. Okay, so the towering buildings, zooming cars, and busy people made her feel small, feel small and afraid. So Kavya and her family were very afraid to stay in Bengaluru because they are very new to Bengaluru. So they are very new to this place. Kavya had been going to school for a week. She still had not spoken to anyone. What if they made fun of her accent or teased her because she had never been to school before? Accent means a way of speaking, a language that shows the country or region someone comes from. So every people has a different accent. In Midnapur has a accent. In Howrah, there are different accent. The people has different accent. So every language, the accent of the language is different in different place. Okay, so Kavya was very afraid because the students are teased. The Kavya was teased by the students of this school because Kavya's accent was different. Why Kavya's accent was different? Because Kavya was new to Bengaluru. Kavya lived in a village and Kavya has this accent of the village. Kavya took a deep breath and raised her hand. Kavya was very afraid to raise her hand. Okay, in a noisy city like Bengaluru, she couldn't be quiet forever. Besides, Laila Miss had a kind smile. When Kavya raised her hand, Laila Miss was very happy because Kavya was stood silently in the corner of the garden. So that Laila Miss, when Kavya raised her hand, Laila Miss was very, Laila Miss has a very kind smile. Laila Miss was very happy. When a caterpillar grows up, it becomes a butterfly. Kavya said that when a caterpillar grows up, it becomes a butterfly. Kavya said, that's right. Laila Miss smiled. Laila Miss smiled and said that that's right. Caterpillars are only caterpillars for a few weeks, Kavya said. Kavya said that caterpillars are only caterpillars for a few weeks. Caterpillars are only caterpillars for a few weeks. Caterpillars থাকে কিছু সপ্তাহের জন্য. They spend their whole time eating leaves. They spend the caterpillars how spending their time. The caterpillars how spending their time. That caterpillars spend their time to eating leaves, much more leaves. Okay. They must get very big, said Mary, her classmate. One of the classmate of Kavya said that the caterpillar must get very big. Yes, they do. After that, eat and eat and eat. Caterpillars become bigger and bigger. Caterpillars আস্তে আস্তে বড় হতে থাকে, bigger and bigger. When they grow big enough, when the caterpillars big enough, they find a place on the sides of a plants. After they eat and eat, and caterpillars become bigger and bigger. When they grow big enough, they find a place on the sides of plants and weave a cocoon. Cocoon means a cover of silky threads made by young insects to rest in while they change into an adult. Okay, so when the caterpillars become bigger, they find a bigger place in a plant. They find a bigger place in a plant and weave a cocoon around themselves. Laila May said, that's correct. They stay in their cocoons for a few weeks and slowly change their form. When they come out, they are butterflies. Laila May said that they stay in their cocoons for a few weeks and slowly change their form. So they stay in their cocoons for few weeks and slowly change their forms. So caterpillar, when the caterpillar bigger and slowly change their forms in the cocoons. Look, when they are come out, slowly change their form. When they are come out, they are called butterflies. So the caterpillar, when the caterpillar comes out from cocoons, they are called butterfly. So when we call butterfly, the caterpillar, when the caterpillar comes out from the cocoons. That's correct. Laila Miss, look, we are at the park. Mary cried out. Mary shouted that we are at the park. Kavya gasped. The park was full of butterflies. The park was full of butterflies. Blue butterflies, the color of sunlight. So, blue butterflies indicates the color of sunlight. Here, Kavya and her friends see that many colorful butterflies in the garden. So, the blue butterfly indicates the color of rivers. What is the color of river. What is the water of the river? Color of the river, that is blue. So blue butterfly indicates the color of river. Yellow butterflies indicates the color of sunlight. Okay, the yellow butterflies indicates the color of sunlight, and orange butterflies indicates the color of ripe apricots. The color of ripe apricots. The orange butterflies indicates the color of ripe apricots. And then black and white butterflies, the colors of starry skies. So when the star is shown on the sky, stars are shown on the sky, so the sky looks like a black and white. Black and white. So the sky is indicate the starry skies. When the black and white butterfly indicates the starry skies. These were the colors Kavya missed from her village. These were the colors Kavya missed from her village. She felt her heart flutter. Flutter means fly with short quick movements. তার মনে হচ্ছে, কাব্যার মনে হচ্ছে যেন চট করে উড়ে আমি ওই গ্রামে চলে যাই, ওর গ্রামেতে চলে যাই। She felt her heart flutter. ওর গ্রামের কথা মনে করে দিচ্ছে। She remembers her village. The butterflies, there were different colors of butterflies. When Kavya see the different colors of butterfly, she remembers the images of her village. She missed her village. She felt her heart flutter. Okay, she was very sad. Every year, many butterflies travel thousands of kilometers to come to this park. They come here for more food, better weather, and a safe place to lay eggs. Laila Miss said that. Laila Miss said, every year, many butterflies travel thousands of kilometers to come to this park. Travel thousands of kilometers to come to this park. Every year, many butterflies travels to thousands of kilometers to come to this park. They come here for more food. Why they come here? For more food and also better weather and a safe place for laying eggs. Laila Miss said this journey is called migration. So what is the meaning of migration? Migration means the movement from one place to another. The movement of birds and animals from one place to another. যেমন দেখবে যে তোমাদের সামনে ধরো কোনো ঝিল আছে, বাড়ির সামনে কোনো ঝিল আছে, ঝিলে দেখবে শীতকালে প্রচুর পাখি আসে, তখন ওই পাখিগুলো আর কোনো সময় আসে না, তাহলে দিস আর কল্ড মাইগ্রেটেড বার্ডস, বিকজ শীতকালে ওরা ওই সময় ওইখানেতে আসে, ওরা ওদের ওয়েদার, ওই ওয়েদারটা বা অনেক ফুড পাবার জন্য ওরা ওখানে আসে এভরি উইন্টার। সো দিস বার্ডস আর কল্ড migrated birds. So here we stop. Just read the chapter carefully, and I will clear all your doubts in the next class. First you read at your home today. First you read the chapter, read those 2 pages very carefully. Read those 2 pages very carefully, then I will clear all your doubts in the next day. First you read carefully, okay? Now you read. And also the meaning, every meaning, page number, first page and second page, okay? A butterfly smile, first page and second page. Remember, just learn the meanings, okay? Learn the meanings and read the chapter. You read the chapter. First you read now. ভালো করে পড়ো, চ্যাপ্টারটা পড়ো, মিনিং গুলো ভালো করে পড়বে। হ্যাঁ, then I will clear all your doubts in the next day. আগে ভালো করে চ্যাপ্টারটা পড়ো। Just wait, I will give your attendance. Okay. Everyone read carefully at your home. Everyone. And also the meaning. I will ask the meaning. I will ask anyone anytime the meaning.